Welcome back to another Chains Explained video. Today we're going to learn how to use Binance US to buy cryptocurrency. I'm Eric. The new economy has arrived. Binance US believes America should lead the way in crypto, and we're committed to helping people across the US access the world of digital assets. Markets are always on the move, but peace of mind is priceless. Binance US provides secure and reliable access to the world's most popular cryptocurrencies with some of the lowest fees in the industry. Launched in September 2019 and headquartered in California, Binance US was established to serve US customers and adhere to US regulations. People love Binance US. You have access to over 120 cryptocurrencies. The platform has done over $350 billion in trading volume since inception. Right now, you can buy Bitcoin with 0% fees. At Binance US, we believe the potential for blockchain networks extends far beyond cryptocurrencies and tokens. Just as few could have foreseen the rise of social media when the internet emerged decades ago, the most revolutionary digital assets built upon distributed ledgers are likely yet to be conceptualized. It is with this vision in mind that Binance US strives to be a reliable and efficient marketplace for a wide-ranging selection of high-quality digital assets so that our users can be part of the open and competitive market that discovers and supports projects with true utility. That is why we have joined the Blockchain Association. The Blockchain Association is crucial to fostering the education of policymakers to help them understand the value of blockchain technology. How do I invest? First, figure out your goal. Then, do your own research. Do not rely on someone else's opinion. Here's some homework for you. Figure out your goal. Then, reverse engineer how to get there. The key is starting now, because time is your most valuable asset. Register for Binance US using the link in the description. And when you're ready for more education and one-on-one consulting, contact Jetson Legacy LLC. So once you're verified in Binance US, you'll log in and the Markets tab will look like this. You'll see yourself logged in. You can go to your wallet if you want to check your balance. At this point, you should have already deposited USD into your account so that you have some money to purchase cryptocurrency with. So I've got about $122 of US dollars ready to buy some crypto. So I'm going to go over to trade. I'm going to go to advanced trading. And let's buy some Bitcoin. All right, so it's $24,188 right now. And I'm gonna place a limit order. The difference between a market and a limit order is if I do a market order, I can buy $121 of Bitcoin at the price right now. So it's fluctuating. So it's already gone up since the last 10 seconds. So we because of the volatility, we know that it's going to go down. And so that's why I want to place a limit order. So I'm going to go to 24,182. Okay, so that looks good. That's about $10, $12 less than the current price. I think it will go down to this price. So what I'm going to do is slide this little bar over all the way, as much of the funds as you want to use. You never want to go all in, but it's only $121, so we're not really going all in here. But for this example, I am going to use the full $121 at this price, and we're going to buy BTC. And then it will go. It will pop up down here under open orders. You'll see that we have buy. It's really important to look at the pair. What are you buying, and what are you buying it with? We're buying Bitcoin and we're buying it with US dollars. So, all right, the order was filled. So excellent. And that is how you buy cryptocurrency using Binance US. We'll see you next time.